How's it going, class? Mr. Jar here. In this video, you will learn how to decode the periodic table, and today we're going to talk about how to find the atomic mass and what that means for the element. Okay, so we're going to practice. The first one we're going to practice on, and you are going to need your periodic table. So take a look at the periodic table, and we're going to look at the atomic number. This is going to be 4, so this is going to be beryllium. Now, beryllium's atomic number, as I just mentioned, is 4. Okay, so that means that it has 4 protons. So it has 4 protons, and its atomic mass is, go ahead and take a look at your periodic table. What did you get? Correct. If you did it correctly, it's going to be 9.01, and we'll just leave it at that for now. So in fact, we'll just say 9. Okay. So its atomic number is 9, or its atomic mass is 9. So what does that mean? So when we look at the mass of the atom, imagine that this biology book here is the atom's mass, and the mass number is the number of neutrons and the number of protons. This right here is like the electron. Okay, so if I asked you what makes up most of the mass of the atom, and I added the electron, do you think that the electron, this small little paper clip, makes a difference to the weight of the book? The answer would be no, right? So that's why when we're dealing with the mass of the atom, the only 2 things that concern us is the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Now, we got to do a little reverse engineering. If the number of protons is 4 and the number of protons and neutrons is 9, how do you figure out the number of neutrons? Think about it. Pause this video, try to answer it on your own, and I'll be here to explain it when you're done. All right, welcome back. If you did it, good job. If you didn't, shame on you. Anyways, so 9 is equal to the number of protons and what? The number of neutrons. So all we have to do is do the opposite of this, right? Addition. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So we simply minus 4, then we cross that out, right? Because we're left with 0, because we need to get n by itself. So we have minus 4, and whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So if you got 5, congratulations. So remember, the number of neutrons equals 5, because the atomic mass is only concerned with 2 particles, the number of protons and the number of neutrons. So if you have the number of protons, you can figure it out. You can figure out the number of neutrons simply by subtracting from the atomic mass. This is Mr. Jar, and I hope that was helpful.